Speaker, can I say I'm so pleased to see you sitting in the chair. I am very glad to have this opportunity to acknowledge some of the community servants in our community, the people who received Australia Day Order of Australia Awards and Citizen of the Year Awards from the Frankston City Council and the Mornington Peninsula Shire Council. We had 5 people in my local community honoured in the Order of Australia General Civilian Division this year. For significant service to tertiary medical education, Emeritus Professor Paul McMenamin of Mount Eliza, member of the Order of Australia. Professor McMenamin has been Emeritus Professor Anatomy and Development Biology at Monash University since 2020, and his service to tertiary medical education means that he is a very worthy recipient of this honour. For distinguished service to medical research in the field of haematology, to tertiary education and to the promotion of science, Professor Michael Berndt of Mount Eliza, Officer of the Order of Australia. He has been a John Curtin Distinguished Emeritus Professor since 2018. And we know in our community, as do people across Australia, more so perhaps than anyone recognised before 2020, how important it is to have people like Professor McMenamin and Professor Berndt who promote science, who serve tertiary education to educate our future scientists, and who work in areas where medicine and medical research save lives. For service to the community through a range of organisations, Mrs Jean Gilbert of Mount Eliza, Medal of the Order of Australia. Mrs Gilbert has volunteered with Toorak College, St James the Less Anglican Church in Mount Eliza, the Peninsula Home Hospice Women of Action Biennial Luncheon, and much more, such a stalwart of the community. For service to veterans, Mr Kevin Hunter of Frankston, Medal of the Order of Australia. He has been on the Vietnam Veterans Association of Australia Victorian branch as the State Welfare Director for 25 ongoing years, and as the patron of the Frankston branch of the Vietnam Veterans Association of Australia, I thank him and everyone else for the work that they do. He has made many veteran welfare contributions and served in the Army and Army Reserves for almost 30 years, receiving recognition for his service in Vietnam with several medals. For service to the community, particularly through the church, Mr Ricky Painter of Langwarrin, Medal of the Order of Australia, Senior Pastor at Gateway Church Australia, co-producer of the Good Friday Family Festival, which is a terrific festival and which occurs on the Frankston foreshore. Very proud of our 2 police officers who received a meritorious award, Commander Martin O'Brien for 42 years with the Victoria Police, and Detective Leading Senior Constable Paul Roberts, 37 years with Victoria Police. The 2023 Citizens of the Year Awards in Frankston were a terrific event. The Citizen of the Year is Warwick Exton, who is an amazing 100-year-old cheeky man who I've spoken about in the chamber before, whose contributions to the community are outstanding, and his book Action Sweetwater Creek is a great historical record of some very important environmental work in our community. Young Citizen of the Year, Jack Lyons, is right now incredibly tired because he is almost finished running 50 marathons in 50 days to raise money for those experiencing homelessness. It's a feat that I think is actually unimaginable, and he's amazing for having done it. The community group of the year that I am an ambassador for is the Women's Spirit Project, which grew out of a grassroots community initiative established by women for women within Frankston. Jodie Bellier is a woman who is incomparable, with such a drive and a passion to serve our community and to help women who are vulnerable or in need. It is so well deserved, everyone who is part of the Women's Spirit Project. And the Mornington Peninsula Shire Council Young Citizen of the Year is Josh Berry from Mount Eliza, who is collecting 50,000 pairs of socks so that every one of the 23,000 homeless people in Victoria can have 2 pairs each. What a contribution and a dedication to the community. Congratulations, everyone.